This video will look at how to cook pasta slowly to perfection using a slow cooking method. This method will also reduce your energy bills, resulting in less worry and stress when you give your family their foodie favorite. Kitchen tips that make cooking even easier. Save money on energy bills when cooking pasta. First, let us weigh out some pasta. Around 50 grams of pasta is great for one person. We have weighed out around 150 grams for 3 people. Next, boil a kettle of water. Place the uncooked pasta in a pan with a pinch of salt. Set the hob to maximum. Place the pan on the hob and give a little shake, then add the boiling water. Stir the pasta with a fork to ensure that it is separated. Place the lid on the pan and bring the water back to boiling point. Keep boiling until you see bubbles form on top of the water. Turn the hob off and leave the pasta for up to 30 minutes where it will slowly cook without using energy. While the pasta is cooking, you have 30 minutes to easily make your favorite bolognese or chili sauce that you can add to the pasta later. When you are ready to serve the food, bring the pasta back to the boil using maximum hob heat. When it starts to boil, turn off the hob, use a slotted spoon-style spatula, or drain the pasta, and serve. The pasta is perfectly cooked, with no risk of burning or sticking while cooking. You have also just saved energy, reducing your fuel bill. So why not give it a try and let us know how it turned out for you in the comments.
If you have enjoyed this video, then please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook and you like what we're doing, then share this video with your family and friends, and as always, thank you for watching.